Hello, my name is Frank. You can join them to call me Frankfurt if you like, as most of my friends call me. I'm a software engineer and I have a lot to give out. And this might be the reason why I decided to come online to give free computer lessons and other related computer software and applications, including computer graphic designs, editing, writing skills, and etc. First and foremost, I would like to explain a little difference between computer software and applications, though they are related but not exactly the same. Computer software is a broad terminology that encompasses all types of programs and instructions that run on a computer. It includes everything from operating systems like Windows and Mac to utilities like antivirus software, also programming languages, and tools used to create other software. Then applications can include things like word processors, web browsers, email clients, games, and many more. In summary, sometimes we call software an application, but not all software programs are applications. Applications are a specific type of software designed for end users to perform specific tasks and activities. Additionally, and without using dictionary colloquial meaning, I would like to say that computer software is like a brain behind everything computer does. Just like your brain tells your body what to do. Therefore, software tells computer how to perform tasks. In repetition, it's a set of instructions or programs that tells computer what to do and how to do it. This instruction can range from simple tasks like opening a document to complex calculations or running programs like games or word processors. Basically, software makes your computer useful by enabling it to perform different functions according to your needs. However, I would like to start this journey of free lessons with simple things that would get you started in knowing more about Windows operating system like Windows 10, which I will be using for video tutorials. And as a novice in computer operating system, how to is here to help you. Oftentimes say in quotes, things you don't know how to do are always easy and simple to handle, but very difficult to others that never know how to do it, or that never know anything about it. This means that countless people that you watch my video tutorials must know how to do most, if not all, my teachings, while preponderance individuals out there don't know how to do it. Yet, sometimes you know how to do it, but without any reason must have forgotten how to do it. Mayhap it may not be the same way I did it in which you did your own, because there are many entries and exits to the marketplaces, and or there are diverse methods in doing things which cannot be only one way. But remember, necessity is a mother of invention. Thus far, my tutorials will facilitate or help to remind you other ways you could use to achieve the same goal. Do you know that your pop, your mom, uncles, aunties can learn from how-to tutorials? So watch the videos, and if you like, download my entire tutorials for your kids for future use. Also invite your friends to join how-to, so that everyone will be proficient in computer operating system. Because we are now in a technological world, this is just an intro. I don't want to elongate this introduction because I abhor too much talking or theoretical. And don't say, but you have talked too much already. So let's deep dive into practical that could give us joy. You must be happy, I assured you, at the end of each tutorial. The sense in South African language or Namibia, that means goodbye. Au revoir. Adios, for those that understand it. Adios. Anyeyong. Tambeit. Sayonara. Jojin. In Cantonese. Taijian. Bye bye. Next time.